Zesty, delicious, full of flavor and healthy, mouth-watering salad with salmon. Let's cook. Welcome, welcome. Okay, right here, my dear friends, I have this just sliced, thin cut salmon. Okay, here I have a little bit of butter. Okay, this is
Wonderful.
optional. You can put a little bit of olive oil. I use butter because of the buttery taste. And I have some onions right here. Okay, and these little white pieces right here, my friends. This is minced, chopped, however you want to call it, garlic, just to give it that taste. And I've also added some salt, okay, already.
Wonderful.
I figured I would just get a little head start. Okay, I had all the little salt, garlic, slices of onion, just to, you know, add them to the salmon. Like I said, these are just small pieces of sliced, not too thick salmon right there. Okay. This. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and
Start heating it up, huh,
heating
Mama?
it up. Yeah, I'm going to do a little high right now so that the pan gets a little hot, which it already is.
Wonderful.
You see the butter there melting. Just a little piece of butter. It can be olive oil. It can also be, I would say, little cooking oil. No problem. Okay. So while this is cooking, what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to the salad. We have this amazing, amazing salad, my friends. Okay. These are Roman, this is the Romaine's lettuce. Okay, I try to always just add some salad, okay, to our meals. Good for digestion. Amazing, amazing for digestion.
Totally. I agree with that, Mama.
And healthy.
Yeah, yeah. Nothing like having greens.
Yes, I agree. And just ever since, when my doctor told us, you know what, you guys are too heavy. I got scared. And I said, you know what, I'm going to start cooking at home.
Yeah.
Cooking at home is healthier and also, and it's less expensive, my friends, okay? Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set this right in the middle, right here. Okay, these are the pieces of lettuce. They're too big. I make them a little small. Okay, I have this amazing mango vinaigrette, mango dressing, however you want to call it.
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious, delicious. I'm going to give you right now every single ingredient. Okay, I'm going to use my blender, my handy dandy blender. Okay, this is the mango. Okay, right here, which I left the other one I bought. I bought two just to show you, but this one has been sliced. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just throw it into my handy dandy blender. I use these little blenders because, again, they're practical.
They're so practical, Mom.
Yes.
Of
yes.
course.
Okay.
When you're on the go.
When you're on the go.
Woo, they're so helpful.
Yes, you're going to pour all the mango in there.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can just imagine the zesty, delicious flavor this dressing is going to have.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. And I'll leave the list of the ingredients. Okay, see right here, my little blender is filling up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut these other little pieces of mango. Okay, and we're just going to throw them in here.
Wonderful.
Okay. Wonderful. Okay. But the real zesty right here. Okay. And this right here, my friends, is lime.
Lime juice.
Lime juice. Okay, we're going to pour this baby in there,
In the
which is
blender.
about a quarter of a cup
Wonderful.
of fresh squeezed
Lime.
lime. Okay.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. Now I have a quarter of a cup of fresh squeezed orange. OJ, orange juice. Okay, here we go. Ooh.
Ooh.
Okay. It's a little more than we thought, but it's fine because this is exactly what we need. But we're going to go ahead and blend it so this goes down. And we'll come back and blend some more. So it looks like
look at that.
this.
Look at that.
OJ, lemon.
Wonderful.
Okay. We're going to go ahead and pour some of this out so that we have room to pour more.
Oh,
Pour more
great.
ingredients. So now I'm going to keep pouring the OJ in there.
Wonderful.
Okay, that's what was left over.
Wonderful.
And now we're going to pour these other ingredients. This is a tablespoon of salt, garlic, cumin, and pepper, black pepper. Hopefully you guys are able to see it. I would say about half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of cumin, ground cumin, and garlic, which will not only give it an amazing taste, but thanks to garlic, you'll be able to have this amazing dressing without it going bad for a few days, at least 3 to 4 days.
Wonderful. Okay? Wonderful.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and pour in those flavor buddies.
Yeah. Look, those delicious condiments.
There you go.
Right, Mom?
Totally.
Wonderful.
Okay, now, my friends, right here. Okay, so we've added, the salt, cumin, and pepper.
Wonderful.
Okay, so now we're going to add a tablespoon right here of honey. Honey, okay?
Wow.
Honey, to give it some of that pizzazz taste. And here, my friends, okay, this is olive oil, which is an equivalent of a quarter of a cup right there. Quarter of a cup. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We personally like the smooth taste, the light one.
Light, exactly.
Okay.
Right.
That's the one that we like. Okay, so now I'm going to give it another little blend. Okay, my friends?
Wonderful.
I have some of this amazing dressing, okay? This is the mango. Pour some in there.
Blended,
the one
mango,
that we
right?
blended first, okay?
Wonderful.
Had to do it like in 2 parts. Okay, right now I'm going to mix it and then I'm going to put it in a beautiful jar because we're going to have dressing for a few days.
Wonderful.
Okay, and in the meantime, we're going to throw in the cilantro, okay, as so. Let me go blend again. Okay, right here, my friends, this is the dressing. I just threw in the cilantro. We'll add a little more cilantro to it. Okay, and here's an option. This is Tepin.
Tepin with a T.
With a T.
T-E-P-I-N.
This is Tepin. It is a little on the hot side. This is optional.
Yes.
You can also add some jalapeno, and it'll give it that jalapeno twist. We're, just adding the Tepin. If you choose to use this one, okay, be very careful. This will give it a zesty and hot,
savory taste, right?
Yes, a little hot taste. I'm just adding that much. Okay, this is delicious, my friends. This is an amazing dressing.
Yes, it is. Look at that. Look at that.
Look at this.
Wow.
Okay, that's the Tepin right there, and it is considered to be one of the spicy ones.
Mhm.
So once you have this dressing in the refrigerator, it'll last for a few days because of the delicious taste the garlic is adding to
Mhm.
it. And the garlic is also considered to be one of those natural preservers. Okay, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and I think our salmon is ready.
All right. That's wonderful,
Yeah,
Mom.
it smells delicious. Okay, so this is the salmon that is perfectly wonderfully cooked.
Wonderful.
Let's go ahead and serve it.
Okay.
Let's serve the salad here.
Wonderful.
Okay, and we have the amazing mango dressing. Okay, I'm going to show you guys how you guys are going to go ahead and just, serve it. Some pieces of mango in there. Okay, so here we go. So just romaine salad and some dressing, mango dressing.
Wow, that looks so good, Mom.
Okay. Oh, and it tastes delicious.
Ooh.
Delicious. Okay. Here's some pecans.
Wonderful.
Okay. Pecans. Oh, cilantro. Okay. This is the salmon. Salmon right there. Okay. And maybe a little bit of cilantro. And we're going to bring this one over here too. Give it a good look. Okay. Mango. Okay. Remember, this is the dressing. You can later on, like I said, this dressing will last a few days.
Wonderful.
Into you making it because it's got that delicious preservative, which is the garlic.
That's so true.
Garlic is a natural preserver of food for a few days. Okay, and we went ahead and put some pecans. That's optional. Okay, here we go. Look at this.
Wonderful.
Look at this salad for dinner. Salad.
Delicious.
Delicious. And then we've got this just amazing salmon. There we go.
Look at that.
Get a little bit of this.
Delicious.
And a little bit of that.
Wonderful.
Ooh. Right there.
Mm.
Delicious. Thank you so much for joining us.
Yes.
Happy cooks. Subscribe to our channel. Share our delicious recipes. They're delicious. My goodness.
Totally.
My mouth is just totally watering right now.
Yes.
See you guys next time.